Here this is pretty much the home screen of the shopping application. This is a Jamaican shopping application that we taking a look at and pretty much show you guys how to use it. So this application here offers a variety of apps and stuff, not apps, stuffs which can purchase similar to Shein, where you have to pretty much go ahead and purchase your stuffs online. But this is a Jamaican version of Shein and Temu and all of those online shopping applications. So how to use it? So very simple. So pretty much once you open the application, you have a lot of different types of stuff which you can search for. Although it's a fairly new application, so you keep in mind that everything is going to be there. So you just pretty much scroll and look for what you want, and you may not find everything as I said before, guys. But as you can see, you can browse and pretty much see what they offer on this application here. So they do show you that they do offer free shipping, or not free shipping, free delivery, because it's within Jamaica. So you can pretty much, let's say for example, if I want one of these watches, you can go ahead and tap on the watch that I pretty much want. You have the cash and delivery option where you go ahead and purchase, and it will tell you based on your location and parishes pretty much how long it will take to reach you. So they do use the carrier service here, as you can see the carrier service that they use, also the description of the product. So let's say you want this here, you can just tap on add to cart. Once you do tap on that, you can go at the top here where you see the cart icon. Once you tap on that, you'll be able to go ahead and check out. You can also add your order note if you want to add that as well with it. And once you do tap on checkout, you can either use your credit card or you can use cash on delivery, meaning they will deliver the product, come with the product, and they will pay for you to get the product. So that's basically cash on delivery. So that's pretty much really how you use this application. And here you can also go on the chat section here to pretty much speak with the support or whatever cases I would say. So do make sure sign in. Do make sure sign in if you want to keep track of what you purchase, either with your Google account. So you can tap on the three lines over here, tap on my account option, and sign in with your email, or just tap on the continue with Google, and you should be going. It will just pop up all of the Google on your device, and you're good to go. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And as well, pretty much can just go in my other section as well. If you order anything, it will show. So do make sure you log in for it to show and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Very good application here that's pretty much working for Jamaica. I would say give it a try and let me know in the comment section. So without that said, guys, see you in the next one.